Today I'm going to show you M2M Ferries. It's very big from the ship. So come here, come. So that is very big. And look at the roof. There is a Skoda M2M Ferries. Where the cars can go, where the cars go down, and so I'm gonna go. Okay, but I need two. This is a Skoda one, M2M Ferries. So that company is very big company. And guys, did you know how that ship came? Where the ship came from? Did you know? Oh, you didn't know. So, did you know this ship came from this? Did you see this over there? From the little country. So let's go. So, come on. Some bikes. Here's some bikes for that. And some bikes. So there is a passenger. Look at this. There is a passenger going up for that. So I want to go to. So let's go. Bye bye. 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 Thank you, Skoda.
अजून तर काहीच नाही अजून करायचं कोण झाला आपल्याला नेक्स्ट वीकला जायचं ना सोना आता कुठे याचा पण फोटो काढायचा व्हिडिओ काढायचा गाडी त्याला याचा व्हिडिओ काढायचा शटडाऊन इकडं पण शटडाऊन झालं ते पण शटडाऊन झालं
Bye, ferry. Bye. Next time we will also come. ते बघ ते पण बाय म्हणतात फेरीला.